Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to do table calculations in Tableau. For this, we will go in Tableau. We'll pick up one dimension and one measure. So, let us go here and pick up the category from here and drop it into the columns. Now, we will pick up the region from here. So, we are having now two dimension. We want a measure here. So what we'll do, we'll pick up the sales from here. Either I can drop it here. This is one possibility. Or the second possibility is I can pick up the sales from here and drop it into the text. Both will generate the same result. Click on entire view. Or rather keep it standard only. That is much better. So standard is better. Okay, now I want the total, either the column wise or row wise. So for this, I'll go in analysis. I'll activate the totals from here and show row grand total, and you will get the total here. Now if I require the column total, I'll again go back and totals. So column grand totals. So the totals are displayed at the bottom. If I want to change the position of this, I'll again go back analysis total, row totals to left. So it will show me the grand total on this side. Similarly, row totals to the top. So it will show me the totals on the top. Now we want to calculate the percentage. So first of all, let us remove all these totals. So I'll go in analyze, I'll remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want to compute the percentages according to the column. So percentage of column activated. So you will get the percentage of column. If I want to have a percentage of rows, so I'll go here and percentage of rows. So the percentages are generated here row wise. The next thing which can be done is we can calculate the percentage differences. How we can do it? Let us see. The calculations can be done according to the percentage difference also. So we'll drop the region again back here and we'll pick up the order date. Now I will transpose this. I want to see that every year how much growth, or you can say the decline, is found in furniture, that is a furniture category, office supplies and technology. So for this, I'll activate the sum of sales from here, quick table calculations, percentage difference. So you can see that in 2019, the furniture, the sales of the furniture have increased by 8.48 percentages in comparison to 2008. In 2020, 16.65. Here, 18.29. So you can see the percentage difference, that is increasing or decreasing. Now, if I want to do the analysis according to the subcategory, press this plus sign. So, in furniture, which are the businesses which are doing good, which are not doing well? If I want to do the analysis according to the quarters, that is also possible. Q1, Q2, Q4, in which quarter we are not doing well? Press the plus sign again and we'll be back again here. Now, if I want to include one more measure, I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the color. So now the color represents the profit-making businesses and the loss-making businesses. So just click on show me. Dark blue color represents the businesses which are doing good profit. And the orange color represents that the loss-making business. We'll have to understand one thing, that is, this is negative. So the sales have declined here, but it's a profit-making business. See, I repeat again. In tables, the sales have declined, right? The sales have declined. But according to this, yeah, it is also loss-making business, right? So this is loss-making business. Here, the sales have increased, by 55.4%, but still it is a loss-making business. Uh, just a small correction was there. I again repeat here. The sales declined by minus 15.1 percentage, and it's a loss-making business. Here, the sales increased by 55.4%. Still, it's a loss-making business. Now here, even though the sales decreased by 7.1 percentage, it's a profit-making business because it's a dark blue color. I can introduce one more dimension into this. I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it here. So we can get the overall view, that is according to the year, the category, and the segments also. So consumer, corporate, and home office. We can get the overall picture of our businesses. So this is a way the table calculations are being done in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.